shopping with your parents can be embarrassing.
Why would they sell jeans with holes in them? I'm going to speak to the manager.
Mom!
That hoodie is giving. You should get it. YOLO.
Thanks to the Chase mobile app, your kid can shop independently while you keep an eye on their spending. So you can go from
We can be twinsies.
to
How was shopping? Saw you stayed on budget.
Thanks, Mom.
freedom for kids, control for parents. That's family banking from Chase.
Account subject to approval. Chase mobile app is available for select mobile devices. Message and data rates may apply. JP Morgan Chase Bank N.A. Member FDIC.
Yo, why pre? Yo, all the mic are too loud. How am I turn this thing again? When I did chat, it just pick up everything. I'm gonna turn off like noise suppression. And I filter. Yeah. Turn down all the background music, look up. See how that look. But when I did though, all on the good goal and move, you know. Now turn the light, goal volatile, you fuck. I'm so I'll go and should I delete this, you know. My giant tool, oh, it work today. Do you think it not work, you know? I'm gonna go up on the chart then. Alright, chat, and that's on my screen. Hold on, give me like 2 seconds. May I forward? I'm there back here now. As I'm say check the lines here, the levels I may have marked up from a longer time. So I delete all of them. Let me see which part we tap though. 68 levels. 4968. Delete all of them. Chat. So we go run your analysis. We probably could look for, just by the look at things, we maybe could get some buys and the next 4 I can go. We'll close in 5 minutes. So once it's 4 I can go, if we manage to close above the range, above 53, we could look for some buys. After the next 4 I can go print the bottom week. So most likely that we're going to wait one. But I do it top down analysis same way. Well, I'm going to spark this first. Just a mosquito away right now when you see this move. Alright, so kick off the ball game. Start from the monthly. As usual, chat. Me not really mark up for the monthly. Me just always like every day I'm try to take a look at like the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. Just to get an idea I can go basically I do. You see me? So still bullish, 9 days left. Weekly candle got 2 days and 9 hours. Almost flip. Which one I push down towards 4-2. Alright, that's a 4. Let me see. The weekly candle low. Oh, 4-6. So chat, side daily time frame. Let me see. As you can see, like a daily time frame is like we range right so push down, close below, close back into the range. I will close bullish respecting. Wait, I'm gonna put a level right so. I'm gonna see if we close respecting or not. As this look like we close back above, yeah. So we did close back above and scan the glitch. Open up below the range. I will continue straight down. Close below. Think that was yesterday, yeah. Yesterday candle. Basically close below the range. Yeah, so we have a level right so close below that. I was instead I will push down and fill the range. Push down towards 60. Can go push straight back up. And now we're basically back into the range. Are not exactly as it. But I wait for like a closure above here, such a any closure above here, so. You see me, but we're gonna drop down to like the smaller time frame because remember this are the daily. You see me? What me I go wait for say? I like the 4 I can go close above. Next 4 I can go open up, push down, print a low. Once I can go flip bullish, we could look for buys like above the range. But yeah, this daily candle. We could still flip bearish today in a chat cause we would expect this candle to flip bearish. We can still flip bearish, but when on the news gone from 8:30. Think we have news at 9:15 and news at 2 p.m. So after news forward out, gold can definitely flip bearish. News can bring a lot of volume in our market. But yeah, that was the daily chat. So we'll drop down to the 4. You see me? Sorry, 4 hour candle. Not candle time frame, sorry. Let me say something. Oh, push up with top 35 style, push straight back down. This is a win. By the 15. Yeah. Push straight back down, close below, push straight back up. Back into like the 4 hour ranges. Cause as I can see on the 4 hour time frame, we have a little level right so. We have a little level right so at 55. We got what? 10 seconds until this 4 hour can go close. So we'll see if we can get a closure above this range. Chat. Any closure above this range, you expect price to push up. Before we push up, you want to see the next 4 hour can print like a low. And then flip bullish. Close for buys going up. I would not even see the low I get print though. You see me? Something like that may I wait on. 4 I can go close above. So we'll see if we can print a lower like more see this level get tapped. Like minimum. And then it can go flip bullish. That happen we could look for buys going up. But yeah, so I'm gonna see. He sells them do a chat, I'm good on. I'm gonna drop down or before me even drop down, let me get some levels markup. So upon the 4, you see that one again. Just delete that. I'm not gonna use that. So try first thing my markup I 4 hour ranges. You see me? So I identify like the range or the 4 hour time frame, you know. I'm gonna say we in a range. I'm measure this by the way. Still not finding the resistance yet. That's why we have a support right as a chat. We have a support right as a. And we have a resistance. I think the resistance there. 779. Yeah, 4979. I'm gonna drop down to like 15 and make sure. I see them 15 make candle will reject from like what 70, 4970. See bro. So we have a level at 05 and we have a level at 70 chat. You see me? Support and resistance. So that high level will get one like the 4. This is range on that's at the 4 hour time frame, you know. Currently. You see me? So previous candle, fill the range, close, still managed to close bullish above like 54. So as I'm saying, once this candle either print a low, and then once it flip, would I expect a range fill going up towards 4970. You see me? So we could look for buys. I'm expecting this range fill, measure range. So it's like 150 pip range going up. So chat, after I get the 4 hour ranges identified, I drop down to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, I basically like narrow it. You see me? So as you can see, this hourly can go start to push up with barely a low. Can cause this can could even have a low. But we are push up. This can go like a 50 pip can go. Something like that. Yeah. 59. So chat, look. You see, the cells them, we could look for cells if price push up, tap like 70, 4970 without a low. Something like this. If this candle, this current hourly candle, since we never print a low, if we just pop straight up towards 4970, we'll wait for this candle like rebreak the previous candle high. After that, once this candle flip, we could look for cells below like 54,950. Anything below yourself could look for sales going down, check. Cause we're at a resistance right now. We could look for buys going up towards the range field, but you don't need a low for like confirm the price I could push up. and fill the range. You see me? So if that not happen, now we fill the range first without a low. We could look for sales once this candle flip after we print a top wick. You see me? That how I do. That are basically the only time frame. Cause I don't want to skip the time frame them. Man, do the thing right. Cause you see, me notice like sometimes when I stream, me usually like skip over a time frame them. I make sure I get every single one. Which we are just doing to like that the hourly, you see me? That the hourly. As I'm say, if we can push up, rebreak the previous hourly candle high, flip bearish, we could look for sales below 53, 55 levels. Drop down to 30-minute time frame. We not not other lines yet. This I just keep in mind. Then 2 lines I have are basically 4-hour ranges. You see me? Nah, nothing else yet. 30-minute I'm so shall close 4955. Put a level right as I see some. May I look left. I see some. Change the color. See then candles over here, such is like then candles are here, so last time as I can see price close above, was able to print a top wick, and after print a top wick, price just reject, come straight back down, fill the range, push straight back up after we tap 4920. No, well, let me see which level that 4920. Well, I'm gonna take off this 4922 chat. Fine 90. Delete them so I can see exactly what I talk about. I talk about this right so. Oh, I wonder who that you know. I talk about this right so chat. This lower price print right so. Push down, tab, price pop straight back up. I fill the range. After fill the range was always able to get some rejection at 70 levels, 49.70. Price was able to reject. I'll pop all the way back down and fill the range after that bullish candle. Push straight back up again. So basically, I just wait until like this clearly a resistance right so you see me. So I wait until price top this level. If price top and reject and we flip bearish, we could look for sales going down towards the range fill. But if not and price push up and we tap and we break out, we could look for like buys above like range 2. So you gotta wait for your first breakout and wait for price push back up again. If we get like a next breakout, we could look for buys going up. Here's my chat, something like this. We look for buys going up to fill the range. Here's him about I look for buys above range 2 though. We avoid like range 1 breakout. Alright, so that's basically the same thing what we do every day. Here's him. Same thing we do every day. Measure range going down. 80R. Look like you can't go about for flip, but this I think chat we never like top like 70 on the current candle. I expect this current candle to push up, rebreak the previous candle highs, and then flip. But this could be enough. That could be enough chat for flip the 30-minute candle, but we're gonna stay out and watch and see how the 30-minute candle react. Since we print a top wick at 62 instead. Man, start use that like a box thing upon my thing, bro. Start use this on the chart.
Quick, time to choose a meal deal with McValue. The
For like
$5
major
McChicken
levels,
deal,
them
a
like a
$6
4
McDouble
hour.
meal deal, or the new
Cause almost said
$7
this yellow
Daily
line
McMeal
are
deal.
basically
Each
like
with
the
a color,
4
small fries,
ranges.
drink, and 4-piece
The blue
McNuggets.
line are
Sounds
like
good. No rush. I'm just excited.
the 15 and the 30 and the hourly. Put this now white. Change this to yellow. Bro, remember I'm forward on the chart, dog. I remember see them bullish candle, bro. I'm really surprised. How we then there? Bro, this, bro. Bullish candle after bullish candle. The market just push. Like, at what time this? 7 o'clock. Can call it 8 o'clock, basically. Market just push, bro. I think the entire medieval up on the chart said this can go. So this was the 8 a.m. candle. 550 pips, 58 pip push. I know really crazy still when you measure it. I say 1 minute candle push. 200 pips already. Where we get a nice move to the 8 a.m. In price start to slow down when it's at 8:36, so still a move. Like, I have to start stream a little earlier, bro. I have to start stream from 7. Probably if I start stream from 7 a.m. that will be better. So when 8:36, pop was straight but down by 8:45. Straight back up. We could push down chat. As I said, this might be enough. This on 30-minute candle, that could be enough. Probably since the previous candle already top 49.70. We might not even need the top on the current candle. Probably this top week will print, right? So maybe, but I'm not really sure right though, so that's why I'm gonna stay out I sells them right now. We could wait for a range to a closure below range 2, then we look for sells. But right now, just have to stay away from this 4. I can go flip. Wait for closures below instead. But probably I have to start. I go start stream from look earlier chat. Cause I notice goal and move like. I have to start stream from 7 o'clock, bro. Hold on, give me 2 seconds, chat. Me forward. No, flip back bullish. Chat, probably the same thing, hold on. Probably the same thing over there I expect could still play out cause will I expect this 30-minute candle to print a high, like rebreak the previous candle high, and then flip bearish. Flip bearish just now, and then we'll flip back bullish. So let's see if price can actually rebreak. So a 70 pip push going up. That's 150 on the re-break. So that's what I was expecting though. Like if price re-break this high, we could look for like buys going up. If price push up like something like this, say this current can go push up and we like close above the range, we could look for both buy and sell chat. But this is the thing though. If price close above the range, we could look for buys above range too. Like would I wait for price push back down, print a little fake out, push back up. Once we get like a closure above that, so would I wait for something like this chat? Could I wait for something like this? And we could look for buys above this level. This would have been range 2 and we avoid range 1 breakout. Here's in my chat. So that's how we could look for buys. Buys above range 2 if we break above 49.70. We could look for sells if price break, close back below, and continue straight down with top wicks though. We need top wicks. Once price continue straight down, any closure back below 50, 54, 49.54, 49.54, we could look for sales going straight down towards 37 levels. 49.37, all the way there, so could look for sales, bro. What? We'll see there. Could look for sales going down. Then that's a chat, but obviously market not could just like move in a like one direction. You that expect some pullback, some retest, and then you that expect the market to continue. You see me? But yeah, that basically a wait part. See that print a top wick and flip back bearish. We could look for sales below, or if we print a top wick and close above, we look for buys above range 2 if price close above. That's basically the idea for both buys and sells. Because we always have two idea chat when we analyze. We always have idea for buys and idea for sells. Never really stick with like one bias for day. We'll line up. And I forgot to charge up a bird too. Hopefully all the volume not dead out, bro. I expect if you pick up by 9:30, 10 o'clock then time that's still. If you pick up 9:30, you'll see like you usually pick up at 10. And if you don't pick up, we just call it. But you call it early though, man. They are till like 11 o'clock. They are till 11 o'clock. Well, I'm trying, I try to figure out some more, see. More see which pop price reject from like in our past. We have a level at 61. You can't, bro, carry some money and cutting grass, yeah. Hopefully now pick up on my mic still. Nah, hear that. Dog walk a low way up. Come here, say we have a level at 61. 4961 we price usually reject from an pass, but we are waiting to see if price can like close back below 50, 49.50 cars. That would have been like the break. That would have been like structure shift right there, so get like a closure back below. You can adjust it below. That was like that I top with chat, we don't want to see price close below 49, push down and then reject. Once we get like a second closure below, we can look for sales. something like this. And I say if we get like a closure below this level, our price that more likely to push them like so. That wait for like price retest, and when the price break for the second time we could look for sales. Listen, that would have been ideal. Now we might start picking up. The chat that could be it. I think we just re-break the highs just now. Well, I'm gonna see. Price push up towards 63. Got down to a minute time frame. Yeah. Just re-break the highs. So if we can manage for like close below check, we can manage to close below, that would have been decent. We're not looking for sales below 54 though. We're looking for sales below like 49.
Creative Cloud is designed to be almost like a playground. It's a collection of
And if price
applications
push up chart and like rebreak the candle highs and then
you
close
are a
below,
designer, you
we
have
could get sell
an app,
PM
you
way.
are more like an editor, or you want to animate
And
and
it's
you
like
set an app to do that. Whichever app
see which
you
direction
choose,
price pushing up.
there are infinite realm of possibilities. Adobe Creative Cloud has the tools to get you there.
Rebreak the highs just now. Let me see. So yeah, chat. We have the idea what we did have for buys is like what I want to see a range to break out above like 70. So since we rebreak the highs, if price don't close back below the range and like the 30-minute time frame don't close back below the range like this and price like close above or continue up, we could look for buys above range 2. Anything above range 2 would have be decent. That's what I explained before. If you never see it, just rewind and stream look a bit and break down the whole of that. So break and we'll close above 1 minute time frame. We're going to give price a chance to like reject. Buyers going up could be decent chat, but we just have to give price a chance for reject first. Right, so reject. Feel to like flip bearish and just push back up, rebreak the highs. We could look for buyers and the rebreak the highs above like 80. 5 minute candle will close respecting, yeah, close respecting 0.5. Still close above the previous high though, overly high. So chat, as I'm say, this is how we did that. This is how we wake once like how price break and print a high and then retest. Something like this. We push up, we break out. This candle break out, we print a high. Now we retest. If this candle, you that expect price for like continue down, right? But if price fail for continue down and we push straight back up, close back above like 79, we look for buys above this level. We look for like continuation of buys. Once we get like a closure above 4979, we look like get some buys, but we're gonna wait though. Wait until we get a closure above. Basically fill range, close line, mid-line range actually, without a top weight. I guess we just have to go just wait chat like the 5-minute closure or the next minute candle closure. Gonna make some adjustment chat. We're gonna work with like the new high for price just print. We're gonna put like, we're gonna adjust this level up towards here, so break that high here that expect will fill the range. Like the next resistance would be at 87. What's the range going up, by the way? It's like a 30 pip range going up. Overly resistance as well. Bro, it's a man I come back with a waka dog. Jaja. Buys going up look clean, chat is just about like the entries. Bro, every time man them blow that, I get distracted, brother. I just people make nice and made it up. All about the entries them. I'm soon delete some of them I chat cause I know a chart have like too much line pan, you know. Soon delete, soon get rid of a couple of them. But we're gonna be patient cause we're at the resistance, you see me? Price could reject from this level, so we're gonna just no FOMO chat. You see me, now FOMO into buys them. See something. Chat me, I delete all of them like soon and get some new levels. Let's wait for say like if this can like a flip or fill the range, or if I actually get like closures back below since we're at a resistance. Everything, bro, man, I tell you that. Jaja. Get rid of someone else. Get rid of someone else. More price, you see, more price print and more rapid just adjust like the levels them and everything. So yes, I'm gonna delete all of them. The chat gets no new levels. We have 15 minutes left till the all it can go close. Usually the last 15 minutes of the all it can go reject. So we'll just sit. We'll probably just wait until this can go close. Buyers going up look decent in a chat, but we just have to like wait for like the higher time frame closure. Cause price there on resistance right now. Think of the 4-hour resistance. Yeah. We'll just end up on major though. nothing major will even break. But I'm gonna wait until we get like closures above. That's the thing. Before we get any type of like buy position, that need to see like price close above. And retest. What the range going up? Soon get rid of somebody in line too. I'm gonna like go there and look on the screen. You have about 10 minutes. Chat me a pre-buy on the like the rebreak of the highs. I'm looking for buys on the rebreak of the highs, but it depends on how we push up towards the rebreak of the highs. That's the only thing. Once price rebreak the highs, yeah, I expect we should be able to feel the range. But I don't have buy stoppers yet. Not this one. I wanna see like any type of closure above chat before I do that. Or if not, we're just gonna wait like 9 minutes for the hourly time frame closure. And we'll look for buys on the next hourly candle. This might be it chat, but it just looks sketchy, bro. Like, I avoid this breakout. This breakout right here, so we might push, but it's just something I wish we avoid. It just look like weird. Volume. I wanna see volume kick in. And that was it. See, they will pop. But as I'm saying, I'm really willing to avoid this though, like the rebreak of the highs, cause can take buys off for the next hourly candle. Or even sells, depends on how we close. But might as well just wait for like the all the time frame close. We got like 6 minutes left. But I mean can go pop for how much? Let me see. This pop was like a 40 pip, 36, 37. Oh chat, I had a new time frame may I try out. Basically like Jaja. But me just say yo, I had a 3-minute time frame, you see me? I just like try it out. I kinda like it over VIX. That's why I'm gonna try it. Say me I try out. On VIX a 3-minute time frame good. For like entries. But on gold, like feel like I gotta delete it. I just give it like some more time. 3-minute time frame just kinda feel unnecessary. Over goal. I give it like till the end of the week. I'll give it another week and then if it not benefit me, I just like take it off from my time frame like and start. That's just one less time frame for me. And just stick to like a minute and 5. No, but I think about try some weekend sales. Some weekend sales will be decent at like some weekend sales will be decent at 07. We can tap 07. Let's push up that this level could look for some weekend sales. That would be decent, I swear. But we need volume though, I think. Volume kinda dead. I will go wait until this pick up back. Volume kinda dead out there, I swear. All time, by the way. So, MP player now. We need like volume try if we're going top 07. We're gonna get weekend results. We need volume. I need that. Price close above though. Focus on the hourly time frame. Close above here, I try. Yeah, I still expect this hourly candle to push out. I'm gonna say like the range fill. From the candle flip to the range fill, like how much? It's like a 50 pip range going up. Adjust this right, sir. But would I need a low? And if this I think, say if we can just fill the range without print a low, then we could look for sales going down if we should start get closures below. For example, chat, like if this hourly candle, so we just open up, we could look for buys going up towards the range fill, right? But would need a low first. Would I need this candle to flip bearish and print a low? See la. Would I need a low get print? And if not, we're gonna wait for price fill the range, like something like this. Price push up, fill the range after I print a high at like what you call this again? 4997. Once price like reject, get like closures back below, could look for sales going down on this hourly time frame, because as you can see, like got like clean range fill like once we get like closures below. So fill the range first. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Let's see if this candle can reject, flip bearish, and actually close below. Since we fill the range first, like yeah. Look for like sales below range 2. If this candle manage to flip back bearish now, this hourly candle. And child, bear in mind, weekend sales. We still got idea for weekend sales at 07. If price pops straight up towards 07, market execute sales at this level. Idea is me just expect like a range fill though, like this would be ideal though, since the hourly candle don't have like a bottom wick. If we just pop straight up towards 07, sales would be ideal, because you'd expect this hourly candle to reject and print a low. Boy, I'm see how I be stops though. I be what 300, 370.
Target the right people by industry, job title, and more. Start converting your B2B audience today. Spend $250 on your first campaign and get a free $250 credit for the next one.
Almost there, chat. Like 70, 60 pips away. One this can go for continue for pop straight up towards 07. Alright, chat, we're almost there. I'm about to market execute sells as soon as we tap, or we just tap. Price basically glitched though. So chat, just gone sells on this scanger. Just gone sells just now, chat. As soon as we tap 08. Basically, I'm just expect a range fill. The range going down, we have like a 80 pip range going down. And yeah, 02 would have be like risk free. But hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade though. Weekend sells. Got like a minute left until this candle close. Can we re-break the lows, chat? And the re-break of the lows, we could go break even nice. This is now a risk-free trade, chat. Stop loss to break even. Risk-free the trade, minimum. I think we're up like this is like 26. I think we peak like 36 pips. Yeah. TP gonna be somewhere like off, yes, a chat. I think TP are for of like 100 pip TP. Most likely I get stopped out at break even though. Can go re-break? Yeah, we'll re-break. So that's a break even trade, chat. GG's. What time? Then we got like an hour left. So may I stick around. May I call it a stream at 11 o'clock. And may I stick around until 11 though. I was a break even trade. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade though. Entry was kinda sucked. Like I expect an entry, like a weak entry at 08, 07. And I end up never get a weak entry cause price glitch. Get with entry all the way then so the entry was kinda terrible. Not as we expected. But chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. When we fall back, we're going to delete everything and get some new levels and see if we can get like anything else. If not, we just call it a stream. We have until 11 o'clock. But chat, me soon fall, chat. Give me 2 seconds. Bro, man, hate go log. What the fuck, bro? Chat. This shit, bro, like, so, bro, think about it. We get like a terrible entry and we get stopped out at break even. Like, was expecting like an entry at fucking 08. I say 07 too, like 08, 07. Basically same thing. Price never push up, bro. Price just glitch. So end up get like a fucking entry at 06. Get stopped out at break even, then we fill the range. Alright, bro. Tired of this. A joke thing, chat. joke thing, bruv. But chai, we're gonna get some new levels. That's just how it be sometime. That are the all it can go flip. We'll push all the way up to 08. Hold on, identify like the ranges first. Way better. Drop down to the hourly. So the hourly can go flip right here, so these have to identify it. I'm just way. Alright. Now I gonna mark it hourly can go flip though, because would look for sales and the hourly flip, would I wait for like range 2 breakout below the hourly flip. Like something like this chart. We have an hourly flip at 49.90. Would wait for price like a range 2 breakout, like something like this. If this can go actually flip bearish. Imagine flip bearish, right? And would look for sales on the flip, would avoid selling on the flip, would I wait for price push down, retest. Price can manage for that and close back below the range. We could look for sales on like the second breakout, not the first breakout. Here's my chart. We could look for sales below this level, expecting a range fill. Once again, this would be the new idea for sales. Here's my chart. So could wait for that range to breakout below like 90 levels, 49.90. Reason why I want to avoid the first breakout chart, because the first breakout can be like a fake out. You see me? Whenever like 9 times out of 10, whenever price I go print a fake out, we print fake out below range 1. So as I'm say, if this can go flip bearish, because remember in the chart, even though it took sales just now, the trend heavily bullish. Like you have to remember that the trend bullish, so we have to like definitely be careful and wait for like sales below range 2. It's just like an extra confirmation. And even the idea behind like the weekend trip buys, even the idea behind the weekend trip buys chart, not buys, the weekend just sells we just took. It was a breakout for a candle, don't have like a bottom wick. I'm showing like exactly what I talk about. Let me hide them a chart. So this are the thing. Showing the reason why I'm gonna take like sales just now, even though the trend bullish. This the hourly can go flip chart. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just adjust that just a little bit higher. Alright, so hourly can go flip. You see me? The hourly can go open up. I think they have like a level, right? So it's like the range of the inner. Yeah, right. So this can go close bullish. After we close bullish, the hourly can go open up without a bottom wick. We open up and we start to push up. But this is the thing, chat. This hourly can go. Hopefully you can see my screen. Hold on, let me zoom in. So I can actually see the candles. I may have a bother if keep zoom out the chart. Yeah, put back everything. Can't even move them there. I'm just draw them back then. But they have a level right, so they also have a level. This is where the hourly can go close. There's in my chart. So also the hourly can go flip. The reason for the sales them just now is because if you apply, basically you have to look at it like in terms of ranges chart. If the if the hourly candle open up without a bottom wick and you would expect this hourly candle to flip bearish and print a low, even if we don't flip bearish, you would expect some type of rejection. Hourly candle open up and we start to push up. This was the first resistance chart. We never took sales at the first resistance. We wait for price breakout and push all the way up towards 08, 07. Wait for like the second resistance get tapped. So now, if we take sales at like the second resistance, you would expect price, since we break the first resistance, you would expect price, once we tap like this resistance, you would expect price to push down and fill the range 01, because this basically the second resistance chart. You see me? And this are the candle flip. So that's how we do. We just like candle open up, you would expect this candle to print a low. Price been a range as well. We've been in a consolidation and the smaller time frame. Once we break like the first resistance, tap the second resistance, we sell, and you expect price to reject to at least this level minimum. So that was basically the idea behind the sales. And we usually like do it a lot when we're taking like weekend trip buys. You see me chat, like, so would I look for some weekend trip buys off of this hourly time frame? We wait for this hourly candle flip and like fill the range first. You don't want to like take weekend trip buys off of the flip or like the resistance. You want to wait until the range get filled. Somebody that say like anything right or so feel it. Can't even put no more line because they may have to fall back up. Somebody that say weekend trip buys off of this hourly time frame chat would have be decent like right or so at 67, because let me just remove them if you know so I'm not get confused. Let me just move them. That's a weekend trip buys would have be at 67 chat, because this I think we have like a range right so we have like a level right so well I'll mark this up. Yeah, right so we have a level. But that too wide and make that smaller. Right so if this can go flip chat, if this hourly can go flip, this would be like the first resistance. Think about it. Once this can go flip right so if we should flip and drive down, this would be like, as I said, the first resistance. So you wouldn't want to excel at the first resistance. Price can, sorry, not resistance, the first support. Price can easily break the support level and push down towards the second one when we have right as at 67. So weekend trip buys off of 67, you would expect price to reject to at least the second, like, because this support would now become a resistance once price close below. So you could expect price to reject to at least like 80 levels. So similar idea, like if you're gonna take weekend trip buys. There's my check. Hopefully that makes sense though. Yeah, avoid range 1, weekend trip buys at range 2, and I expect price to push back up and fill the range where you avoid. If that makes sense. That would be like an advantage. Break even for days, bro. Man, I forgot journal that to check. Break even. Break even for days. I think I same thing happen when. I same thing happen yesterday. Wait, no, I never stream yesterday. I think Friday or Thursday. I think we hit break even and then we end up have to just call it a stream because time they run out. From forward back, I think about one trade we take from forward back on stream. Now this a trade, I'll take this pan 10. Or one trade will win. The rest of them will break even. I have to go watch back his stream so I can journal that. I just do that when I'm done. I'm just focus on this right now. Oh, I'm lines in there. I'm get what my lines in, bro. Alright, so yeah. See, the next one you chat, Sealer. But this is like an like idea. Like, so we have like 3D slide level we have right here, so 3D. Yeah, right here, so. See, like, just in a this a box, you know. May I say, yo, if you look for like weekend buys, you could look for like, we take weekend buys anywhere from all that. I'm gonna put this back and fix this. Usually, we wait for like weekend buys, like right as a chat. We have to like right as a for this structure we have right as a, or you could like, even can take it weekend buys from this level 86, because if price push down, just say price push down and top anyone at the level you would expect price top 86, you expect a pullback towards 90. If price top like 82, you expect a pullback towards 86. You get the drift chat, so that's basically like that's just like I just have to show you that same thing we did talk about look a while with the weekend buys and the weekend sells. Well, I just put this here so because sales below like 94 would be decent if we can print a high. Yeah, what that? Hold on, check. Give me like 2 seconds. Let me forward. I just can never find my thing, them dog. Jaja. Alright, my fault. Market just a range. One thing I try have a bit like extra patience when I trade this. The market already make it move, bro. We're gonna still move, you know, but not right now. Gold just a range right now. I'm gonna need a breakout. Going either need to break the highs or the lows. Once I got me out, I expect the volume to start pick up. A weekend just sells there, would I be clean, do a chat? I think we peak like 40 pips for the trade. But now I guess I'm should have closed. Just GG's, bro. Usually we close at 40 pips though, but it just depends on like the ranges. You see me? And then I expect a range fill just now. So that's why I'm never close full. 10:30, but we see if this can pick up now, dog. If we not get in a trade, I just say go try it. We fall back tomorrow. And the rebreak at the 4, I can go highest. We got clean range. Put this right here, so. Drop back down to 15. Bro, this thing just a range chat with it, bro. It's like we were stuck in a range. See, like 11 o'clock, I call it a stream though. So if we don't move by 11 o'clock, GG's. You know me, I preach at some weekend trip buys, bro. But we'll have to get that before 11 o'clock. Weekend buys, right? So that'd be solid. Some weekend buys me a pre-chat, but this can go off a drop down towards 95. The local market execute buys. Or even below. Local buys either like 95 or local buys at 91. Depends on how price push down. So they can go flip as well. Oh, well, it can go. So much people here over here, so. Every time I boil thing, it's like when I get nothing, dog. But go a joke. Now I go past 11 o'clock for real, you know. Like, try, like, when I get nothing between like now and 11, I just call it a day, dog. And I stream until 12 to dog, because the volume just dead. I'm at him forward, when forward, to start stream about 9 o'clock. Yeah. Would he get a crazy move like 8, I think a 7:50 then time there. Come straight up to 8:30, 8:45. Market is a move. But I mean even the on then time there. I mean as I'm saying I have to start stream earlier, see that? I think I like freaking 7:51. We start the move, bro. This hour 8:05, 8:06. Still a push. minute can go so in 8:35. The volume kinda dead out now still. Can't anybody see so which one? 9:30. Oh yeah, I'm the day on for this. The day on you just never get an entries. Just one sales will take kinda did break even. Get stop out at break even and then price push goes straight down. Try since we make a pullback. I now look for no weekend buys at 95 again. Cause price like fall down, pullback. We could easily like break 95. You see me? So I wait for like weekend buys at like 92. $91. 4991 chat, right? So that for some weekend buys. There's some like this. Think we push down. I think with our top. But we never tap forward close, price reject, printer high. So now printer high, price can easily just push down and break this level. Look at reject though on the minute time frame. Reject back into the range. We'll see if price are gonna like continue up or if we're gonna push back down, close back below. Now look for weekend buys at $91 all the way down so. Just I realized chat. 91. Which power would I look for weekend buys? Also the only can go flip. Yeah. Bro, which power would I look for weekend buys? Also the only can go flip, so I feel that will be ideal. Cause if this only can go flip bearish, you know I enter weekend buys and this only can go flip chat. So we are gonna wait for flip bearish and then close back above 91. I expect like a push down. If this can go for flip bearish, I expect a push down. So I wait for that, and then if price can manage for like close back above 91, could look for buys them going up. I expect price print a low. Once break above, we could look for buys. But we can't just take like weekend buys for this hour it can go flip. That would have been deadly. This only can go might drop, bro. But if this can go finally flip and we just continue straight then. Better wait for like an extra confirmation. Can still take it, you know, but we don't need to say like this happen though. Okay, overly. Could just execute so for like a flip. You have like 9 minutes until my call is a day, bro. Bro, some card me I go play after this dog. Devo Vix man I trade. Make sure I put my headphone on charge. Bro, if this can just pop straight down, we're gonna need like at least 150 pip pop down. Nah, 30 actually. Be weekend she buys. We have like 3 minutes left though. This can go have a pop in a 3 minutes chat. If not, then a GG's. We have to just call it a day and fall back. Fall back tomorrow. Today we do have news 8:30, yeah. Start forward before 8:30. Analyze and trade news. Trade news, but trade after news. After news forward out. Bullish closure, we're just gonna call it a day, bruv. we could take a weekend to buy at 97 chat just because like we end up push back up, you see me? And print like lower high. Which part? I think I did right, so. The price fall done. Yeah, price fall done. We almost top, but we never top 95. For the top would have looked the weekend to buys, but price push back up. And now close back below. So we never even the top, we still never top like 95. Print another high. Close back below, so it's like price could easily like break through this level chart and push straight down. So that's why I don't want to take this. You see me? This is not like so I want to take. I want to wait for like either we push all the way down and top like this level may have as a 91, or if not, I just call it a day. But 91 would be ideal. You have like a minute left. Most likely that not gonna happen. How much this go for? 36. Yeah, try 11:01. This bro, I just realize I 11 o'clock gone charge it. Yeah, try me. I just call it a day. I'll fall back tomorrow. You see, tomorrow I win by. I think tomorrow Thursday or Wednesday. Which one? Tomorrow Thursday. So fall back tomorrow. I try fall look earlier though. You see me, like 8 o'clock. I'm see if we have news tomorrow. By the way. See what time we have news. We have news 8:30. We have unemployment tomorrow. What else we have? Wow, so much news. We have all that too. What else we have for the rest of the week? Friday. Weird Voila. By the way, what time by the way? Chat, I start forward out earlier. Like, I start forward for stream from 8 o'clock. Just so I can get for trade after news forward out. You see me? Volume get kind of lame, bro. I swear. Anyway, like once it pass like 10:30, the volume just get lame. I usually pick up back like later on, but I go stream for so long. 1, 2 o'clock then time there. I go there so long. You see me? But that is for right now. Respect to everybody who followed up on your stream. As in my track. Today we take a break even trade. Was some sales. Heat break even. So just like we are gonna journal that call it a break even day. Fall back Thursday. But this did pop though. 59, call it 60 pips. But yeah, chat, I'm done for the day though, you see me? I'll play some card after this, dog. I leave last stream Vix. Right now. But me soon tomorrow. As I'm say, I forward out early. I forward out about 8 o'clock then time there. But yeah, chat, that is it for right now.